Hey, quick video in regards to your communicators for your alarm systems. The cellular communicator. If you haven't upgraded them from your 3G radios to the 4G, 5G LTE radios, then you need to do so as soon as possible. Most likely your alarms are not working at the moment or not communicating because the service providers like AT&T and Verizon have shut down the 3G towers. So you're going to want to call your security companies as soon as possible. This is the piece of equipment that allows your system to communicate from your home or business to the central station. The cellular is the best way to go because it's wireless. You don't have to worry about power outages or assuming you have battery backup or wires being cut with the telephone line.